अपना गोल्ड मनपुरम लॉकर में रखो। सब लोग ऐसा स्मार्ट बनो, कहीं किधर भी स्मार्ट बन जाए।
मनपुरम ऑनलाइन गोल्ड लोन स्मार्ट है।
please excuse me so that I can get to the front? Yeah, I mean, just look at all of them. Just look at all of you. So pretty, right? Please, people. I admit that my ego is a little hurt, truly speaking. But I really want all of you to be the best version of yourself as you introduce yourself and pick your judge. All the best, girls. God bless you, and may today be your day. Fortunately or unfortunately, we just have one crown. So be the best version. Moving ahead, I would love to call the first contestants of 19th edition of Manappuram TQ, Miss South India from across the South Indian states. We have from Tamil Nadu, Abhinaya Subramaniam.
What is more beautiful and powerful than a girl who puts her dream before anything else? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Abhinaya, hailing from the very own Namma Tamil Nadu. I'd like to describe myself as space. S for being spiritual, P for being patriotic, A for being adaptive, C for being confident, and E for being a complete enjoyer of life. Coming from a background that has traveled a lot across countries, has given me exposure and experiences of different culture all at once. Yet, I feel I'm a strong-headed and a simple small-town girl, which is a rare combination, best of both worlds. I'm here to represent every single woman out there who have lost their voices or have gained none in their lifetime, yet dare to dream every single day and refuse to give up. I believe a woman can be anything, do anything, hold on to her blood, her culture, her traditions, and also follow this modern world against all her odds, because confidence is not just not falling, but the ability to get up even stronger and harder, no matter how many times you fall. Thank you so much.
Well, I lost it. I mean, thank you so much, Abhinaya. I'll get back to you with the judges picked on, okay? So right now, contestant number 2, Aditi K. Shetty from Karnataka.
Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. You were born to be real, not to be perfect. Namaste, I'm Aditi Shetty, 20 years old, representing Karnataka. We live in a world of flaws, and I think it's great to be flawed. First of all, I would like to tell you all that I've gone through enough and more with my flaws throughout the years growing up. There were times I refused to showcase things I knew I was good at. Days I spent crying because of all the insecurities I had in my mind. I know there are so many girls going through all this, stressing upon it as if their life depends on it like how I did. That is why I'm here participating in Miss South India, not just to voice my opinion, but to tell all the girls out there that your flaws are a part of you. That is what makes you unique, special, and beautiful. Life isn't easy, and it has never been. You have to be strong-hearted, kind, and intelligent. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditi. Contestant, thank you so much. Yeah. Contestant number 3, Afreen Zaida from Karnataka.
I am a fighter, a believer, and a survivor. I have not had a very easy life. Though many doors were shut on me, I never gave up or never lost hope. The reason I'm here today is to deliver a beautiful message of hope. Hope of being able to see that there is light in spite of all the darkness. That is the same hope that kept me strong while my mother was battling her life against cancer. Good evening, everyone. This is Saida Afreen here, a Kannadada Hudugi representing Karnataka. I am a state-level throwball champion. I was crowned as Miss Kola 2019, Face of Central 2021. Being the breadwinner of my family, I was always persistent to make sure that they are safe and secure during the pandemic. But what really hit me hard is seeing a lot of people out there losing their lives. A little bit that I could do from my end is collect funds and then help them financially, bring that smile back and that lost hope. You may lose your health, you may lose your wealth, but never lose hope. HOPE. Hold on and pain ends. Thank you, everyone. Have a lovely evening.
You have your supporters and lovers there. Contestant number 4, Ansi Kabir from Kerala.
A big hi with love and respect to everybody present here.
Myself, Ansi Kabir, from the capital city of Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Every day is an endeavor to do better than yesterday. This keeps me motivated. No matter you lose or you win, to take up every chances and opportunities that comes in your life is the biggest thing you can do. So here I am at this wonderful opportunity. Wherever you are, whatever bleak situations you had gone through, how low you have sunk in your life, that doesn't matter. Keep trying until the end. Yes, I tried, and here I am to be a star reflecting its beauty, the package of attitude, energy, and confidence to all those whom I will be visible to. Remember me, the girl who represents the 3 Bs. The 3 Bs standing for all the bold, beautiful, and brilliant women out there. Before ending, I would like to let know everyone that, coming from a very orthodox Muslim family, and breaking all the boundaries that were set for me, there was this one person who helped me throughout the journey. And that's my mother. Today, right now, at this moment, I would like to let her know that she has won the battle. And I could already see her wearing the crown. Thank you so much.
Great. I can relate to it. And before I call upon the next contestant, I would love to request any parent of the contestants here to please be on the backstage. We have the marks tallying happening there. So we have always been transparent in terms of, picking the right person as a winner. So any one of you, any one parent can be right there in the backstage. Contestant number 5, Chandralekha Nath from Kerala.
Good evening, judges and everybody present here. 23 years ago, when my parents had me, like every other parent, they had big hopes and dreams for my future. They named me Chandralekha, a strong and unique name that they could find, thinking I'd turn out to be as strong as unique as my name. But little did they know that I'd turn out to be a typical only child who's shy and reserved and lived in her own little world. Since the pandemic, I had an epiphany to finally try what I really wanted to do. I always was fascinated by the entertainment industry and the pageantry world, so I finally summoned my courage and enrolled myself in my very first pageant last year. Winning Miss Queen Kerala 2020 gave me the confidence that I needed the most. From being conscious about my body, to walking the ramp with confidence, from panicking at the thought of public speaking, to addressing you wonderful people here tonight, I represent to you a new and improved Chandralekha, still learning and still evolving. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Chandralekha. Contestant number 6, Deepthi Srirangam from Telangana.
My name defines the combination of lightness and brightness, and that's what exactly I am. Good evening, everyone. My name is Deepthi Srirangam. I'm a student, process associate, model, actress, and also worked as RJ. Coming from the background of village, highly conservative, and priest family, it is not easy to become model or actress. Trust me, no one supported me to enter into this field. Whatever I did for my goal, I did like one-man army and becoming more strong every day. I love me so much because I faced a lot of challenges, failures, loneliness, disrespect, discourage, criticism, but I never give up on my goals. If you are not work hard to achieve your goal, then who will be? Thank you.
Yes, of course. Thank you. Your mic. We have one more Deepthi. Deepthi S from Tamil Nadu.
Someone once told me, "You're too fat, you're not a model material." After winning the title of Miss Tamil Nadu and doing a couple of national ads, the same person came back to tell me that I am a stunning model. My gratitude to that person for challenging me, because things that don't challenge you don't change you. Greetings. My name is Deepthi S. I am an engineering graduate with a master's degree in business administration and a university topper. I am bitten by the acting bug, smitten by the ramp, a qualified Bharatanatyam professional, and a fitness enthusiast. I was brought up by a strong single mother who has taught me that if you put your mind and effort into something, it can be yours. I'm here today chasing that very dream. Thank you.
All right. We have contestant number 8, Dakshayani Santa Suruban from Tamil Nadu.
I do not believe in miracles. I do believe in artwork. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dakshayani Santasuruban. I was born in a very cultural, united place on the northern part of Tamil Nadu. I'm an adventure person who loves meeting new people and new experiences in life. I've been raised by a single mother who's been strong and independent all through our life, as I lost my father when he was serving our nation. I'm an hardworking person, and this comes from my mother. Her willpower and encouragement made me to face lot of difficulties in life. By winning Miss South India 2021, I would love to raise my voice to all the single women all through the world to encourage them and support them to live their life and shine like a diamond. I thank Almighty for giving me such a valuable opportunity to stand here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dakshayani. Contestant number 9, Divya Shivabab Benny from Karnataka.
A journey of 1,000 miles just began with a single step towards change. Namaste. My name is Divya Shivappa Benny. I'm 21 years young, enthusiast and aspirant who is proudly representing her state, Karnataka. My journey from being a timid and a shy girl to an extrovert and outspoken wasn't easy. After losing my dad at the age of 19, the worst phases of my life taught me that with belief and hard work, I can achieve anything and everything, and thus my circumstances made me what I am today, a confident woman, unafraid to challenge the dated perceptions of what a woman should be and can't do. Thank you.
Thank you. Contestant number 10, Harshita Pujari from Karnataka.
Dreams are not those that you see while sleeping. Dreams are those that doesn't let you sleep without fulfilling them. Vanakkam Coimbatore and a very good evening, judges. My name is Harshita Pujari, proudly representing the land of Sandalwood, Karnataka. Well, Harshita means to keep smiling, so I always choose to face challenges with an optimistic attitude and a bright smile. However, as a teenager, I was a very shy and underconfident child. But it's the sweet and bitter experiences of my life that has molded me into this confident person that I am today. My journey has always been about following my passion, because I truly believe that following your passion helps you to lead a successful and a happier life. And that brings me to Miss South India 2021. In the end, I would like to conclude by saying a shairi of Mirza Ghalib Sahab. मंजिल मिलेगी राह भटक कर ही सही, गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं. Thank you everyone and have a great evening ahead.
Definitely, गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकलते ही नहीं. Congratulations for that one. And moving on, contestant number 11, Rima Ravishankar from Kerala.
Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. Namaskaram. My name is Rima Ravishankar, carrying the warmth of my beautiful state, Kerala. The one who falls and gets up is much stronger than the one who's not tried. My journey has not been easy, especially after losing my father at the age of 10. With zero confidence, I grew up repeatedly making mistakes to realize that they made the person I am today. Every step that I have taken in my life has taught me to understand, be patient, learn, make mistakes, grow, and to never give up. On this note, I created Similitude to bring people to light from darkness and help one transform to wholeness. I believe that in every difficulty lies opportunity. So start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. So here I am, holding my vision and trusting the process, as I've learned to never give up hope. Thank you.
Thank you. And contestant number 12, Shanmugapriya N from Tamil Nadu.
In search of happiness, all my life, I have realized that it's not from outside, it's from within. Vanakkam, this is Shanmugapriya, a 19-year-old from the outskirts of Chennai, who has been recently graduated and currently moving towards the only goal to become successful. A successful model, a successful actress, or just success in whatever endeavors I choose to be in future. I'm a trained classical and a freestyle dancer, a soulful singer, and most importantly, a happy-going, confident person with so much fortitude. I personally believe change is something that is certain, and I want to be the change to make changes in others' life. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you and all the best. And Shweta Jairam from Kerala is here to prove 13 is not a bad number.
What you acquire inwardly will change outer reality. And tonight, I will show you how and why. Vanakkam Coimbatore. Born and raised in God's own country, Kerala, I am Shweta Jairam, currently pursuing my bachelor's in chemistry. As a child, I was very shy, but the stage opened me to a world of confidence. This confident side of mine is balanced by a calm, observing side that led me to a path of self-discovery. But that also meant facing my own fears and insecurities. And my journey has been about accepting and loving myself. I'm someone who is eager to learn, grow, and acquire new skills through constant improvement. Because life has shown me that everything is within your power, and your power is within you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shweta. I need more energy from all of you. Come on, people. Yeah. I know this has been a very long session, but trust me, we're almost there. Contestant number 14, Sri Lakshmi C from Kerala.
When you do something from your soul, you feel a river moving inside you, a river of joy. Good evening, judges, ladies and gentlemen. I am Sri Lakshmi, hailing from this beautiful land of paradise, Kerala. I am a graduate and currently pursuing my diploma in cabin crew training. Being a cabin crew student, I firmly believe that when everything seems to be going against you, always remember, aeroplanes takes off against the wind and not with it. Patience has always helped me in molding my character, and one such quality that I gained is I doesn't have the fear of failures, and that's something which makes me different. I have always been believing in the magic of 3 C's of life: choices, chances, changes. You must make a choice to take a chance or your life will never change. And I am here already stepping out of my comfort zone and breaking the barrier. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri Lakshmi. So with that, we are done with the self-introduction round. That was scripted, you guys well rehearsed with it, and you all did great. But now, let's check how sportive you are. Come forward as I call out your name, pick a card, you're a judge, you have a question, answer it. This is just a step before you make it to the next round. All the best. Contestant number 1, Abhinaya Subramaniam from Tamil Nadu. And your judge for the day is...
Dr. Kuriachan, sir.
Hi, Abhinaya.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
You are also lucky to have good stature and height.
Oh, thank you.
5 feet 10 inches.
Yes, I am. Yes.
That was my dream in my younger days, to look at Amitabh Bachchan and look at him and see a girl having 5 feet 10 inches. Great personality you are.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
தமிழகத்திலேருந்து வந்து தமிழில் இருந்து தமிழில் பேசும்பொழுது கோயம்புத்தூரில் நடக்கின்ற சவுத் இந்தியா பெஜெண்டில் நீங்கள் கலந்து கொண்டதில் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சி, சந்தோஷம்.
தமிழ்நாட்டில் பிறந்து தமிழ்லேயே வளர்ந்து தமிழில் பேசுறது, தமிழில் கேள்வி கேட்டு தமிழில் பதில் சொல்றது இன்னமும் சந்தோஷம்.
ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
Can someone please switch the language?
இது தமிழில் பேசும்பொழுது, தமிழ் மொழி புரியும் பொழுது, அவங்களுக்கு புரிகிற மொழியில் பேசும்பொழுதும், குறியச்சன் என்ற குறியச்சனின் பேர் கேட்டார் ஒரு மலையாளி, ஒரு பக்கா மலையாளின்னு நினைப்பீங்க. பட் குறியச்சனின் குறிகோள் என்றால் குறியச்சனுக்கு தமிழ் மொழியில் பேசணும். நீங்கள் ஒரு தமிழ் contestant, South Indiaவில் contestant. I'll just translate in simple words.
That's exactly what I meant.
We are trying to say Tamil is a beautiful language. We are from Tamil Nadu and she is a stunning personality representing Tamil Nadu. So welcome to this Miss South India pageant.
Thank you.
Abhinaya Subramaniam.
Pleasure is mine, sir.
And you already won the Miss Tamil Nadu title 2021 second runner-up.
Yes.
And you also a real brain, beauty and talent.
Yes,
and you are
thank
good
you.
at rifle shooting also.
Yes, I am.
So of late, nothing political.
Okay.
Suppose you have been selected as an advisor by the United Nations.
Okay.
If you are going to Afghanistan now
Mhm.
and to advise the leader there, what is one particular aspect you will guide the leader of Afghanistan in today's state? Non-political, only as a personal, your own answer to this particular question.
Okay. Thank you for the wonderful question, sir. I know the seriousness of this issue, the political side of this issue. I've been reading it through. The question actually arises, when will all these stop? And who is behind all these? Nobody wants to live a life in grave danger, be it Afghans or Indians or Americans as well. Nobody wants to live a life with fear. Everybody wants a life which will have good health conditions, good materials to live with, good construction, good government, and good basic necessities. I would personally tell the chief of Afghanistan right now to face whatever is coming. Face whatever difficulties, whatever grave things that he is going through. It is better to face it and then get through it and get to a stage where he will have to fight it, not where he can just avoid certain problems. I think it would be better to just put himself forward before any of his citizens. Thank you.
Thank you. So nice of you. I'm making it in very simple words. If you are given a chance to make them choose to bring peace immediately, food, or allow them to depart their country, among the three, what will you give the choice to them?
My choice would be to give them to depart, because once they be given the choice to depart, they could get food as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Vanakkam. Thank you. That's all I know. Contestant number 2, Aditi K. Shetty from Karnataka.
Dr. Kuriachan, sir.
Hi, Aditi.
Hello, sir.
So you will have little butterflies in your stomach that I'm going to ask some other questions not connected to your beauty pageant.
No, sir.
Are you confident?
Yes, sir.
I can ask you any question?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
That's your confidence level. So what is one simple message you like to give to the world as a woman of substance?
Thank you for the question, sir. We see there are so many things happening in the world. Now it's time for us to voice our opinion about the things and not be scared of anything or anyone. We don't have to be insecure about anything. We are strong. We are playing so many roles of a mother, of a daughter, of a wife, and we have to be confident enough to prove ourselves to do what we want to do. Thank you.
Very confident answer, Aditi.
Thank you, sir.
Kannada chenna gottaitu. Kannada namakku baruttu. So, udigi illi Coimbatore bande South India competition le. All the best for your success. All the very best to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Haudu. That's what. Contestant number 3, Afreen Zaida from Karnataka.
Hi, Afreen.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling amazing. Finally, my dreams are coming true.
Amazing. Good to know that.
Thank you.
So my question to you is, what was your biggest fear and what did you do to overcome it?
Thank you so much for the lovely question. My biggest fear was that I would never come on the ramp and be a successful model, because I come from a very orthodox family and I lack support. Back then, 3 to 4 years back, I always had a dream to be a model. And seeing the parents not giving me a little bit of support, I kind of made up my mind that no, I may not become a model. But now I am here today, standing confident, bold, and finally fulfilling my dream.
Amazing. Kudos to your confidence. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. I already have one mic with me, which I am finding it difficult to manage. Don't give me another one. So you were an Afri, right? Yeah. Contestant number 4, Ansi Kabir from Kerala.
Reshma Nambiar.
Hi, Ansi.
Hi, Reshma.
How do you feel today?
I feel so excited, overwhelmed. I'm so happy.
Nice to know. So my question to you is, tell me one woman from today's generation in Kerala, from Kerala, who has inspired you.
Thank you for the question, ma'am. I definitely choose my mother, because the people who are around you influences you the most. And right from my childhood, she's the one who is around me. She's the one who pushed me towards my dreams. She's the only one who is supporting me throughout the journey. While all the other co-contestants are here with their family members and they have their family members to cheer for them, it is just my mother who is here to pray for me honestly. So the one who is acting and praying and being there for me honestly, right from my childhood to till this moment, who other than my mother? It's definitely my mother. Thank you so much.
Amazing.
Thank you. Contestant number 5, Chandralekha Nath from Kerala.
Abhikshita ma'am.
Hi Chandralekha.
Hello ma'am.
I love your sari.
Thank you so
look
much.
Beautiful.
You look beautiful as well.
Thank you. So my question to you is, if you had the privilege to have 1 extra hour in a day, what would you do with it and why?
The extra hour that I'll have today or any other day would be for self-introspection. Because I think we spend 24 hours of our day either sleeping or stressing about our work and other tensions in life. I think to have self-understanding, one should spend a lot of time with themselves to understand what's going on in their mind and make peace with it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chandralekha. Deepthi Srirangam from Telangana. Contestant number 6.
Dr. Jayashree.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you feeling now? Butterflies in your stomach?
Yes, loved up.
Loved up.
I'm so proud.
Okay. Now, if you were to be in my seat and ask me a question as a judge, what question would you ask?
Thanks for this beautiful question, ma'am. I would like to ask, ma'am, how you are looking so pretty? What's the secret behind that? Really, I want to ask this. What's the secret behind that?
Okay. Now, I want you to answer, give the answer as well as Jayashree. Ask me. Answer it.
Because I'm happy always. That's why it is visible in my face.
Oh, that's so sweet. Nice.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Even I was wondering, how could someone look so pleasant and beautiful, right? It's for you, a compliment from me.
Thank you. You look pretty. You look
I was
gorgeous, and
expecting
you
that
are
as well.
doing the show very well. I mean,
Please
I like the
applause,
concept.
applause
Yeah.
everyone, please. Thank you. Well, contestant number 7, Deepthi S from Tamil Nadu.
Good evening to one and all. Abhishekta Shetty.
Hi Deepthi.
Hi ma'am.
How are you feeling?
I'm very excited and equally nervous.
Congratulations for making it up till here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, in life, do you consider yourself as a giver or a taker, and why?
I have always thought of myself as a giver because giving is happiness. I've always loved my family very much, and whatever I am today is because of what they have given me. I would like to do the same for everyone and spread happiness in the world. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Contestant number 8, Dakshayani Santa Suruban from Tamil Nadu.
Reshma ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, super excited and you look so wonderful, ma'am.
Thank you. So you look very gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
All the best.
Yeah.
So my question to you is, tell me one movie. Tell me your favorite movie. Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Tupaki.
Okay.
And it is acted by Vijay. It
Okay.
represents so much of nutsells over our country, and it's been showcased so directly to the people in and around. As I lost my father in Kargil war in 1999 when I was a year-old kid, my mother supported me so long for this journey, and that movie is so special to me and so connected to me.
Amazing.
Thank you.
That was a wonderful answer. Thank you.
Thank you. Divya Shivappa Benny from Karnataka.
Hi, Divya.
Hi, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. You're looking beautiful.
Thank you, and so are you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so I can see that you have mentioned your weakness is you can't see your family in any trouble or problem. Now, if you see your family in any kind of trouble, what would you do about it? How would you react, and what solution would you, get out of it?
Thank you so much for a beautiful question, ma'am. No doubt, my family means everything to me. And after losing my dad, the sole person who ran my family was my mom. And she did it so well. Like, we come from a very orthodox family where women were not allowed to go out. And she is the one, she had never went out and worked, but she actually started to work. And that is the painful thing I carry in my heart, that she's striving so hard. She leaves home by 6 a.m. in the morning and she comes by 9 p.m. So she works to make me and my brother give a better living. And I believe now I am in a position where I can work towards a better upliftment of my family. And now I work towards making my family more happy. And if I see them in any problem ever, I would just try to take every problem on me and keep them happy in any situation, no matter what happens. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Contestant number 10, Harshita Pujari from Karnataka.
Abhishekata Shetty, ma'am.
Hi, Harshita.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. So, do you overthink a lot?
Definitely, I overthink a lot.
Okay.
Okay.
Continue.
Sorry. I mean, if you just hold a pen and you start writing while I'm walking, I would think 10 other things. Why is she not looking at me? So I would overthink a lot of things by looking at just very small things. I understand that's a bit of my weakness, but also I've utilized it as my strength, I would say, because that made me realize a lot of things in my life. I could understand the depth of a lot of problems by overthinking it. So I manage it.
So right now, standing there, what was that one thing that you were overthinking a lot?
Actually, everything. Honestly.
But I just want one thing that you overthought a lot.
Definitely. So none of my family members are present in the audience, and I could see a lot of cheers for some contestants from their family members. So I overthought it. Okay. That was the one thing that I was overthinking, but it's fine.
Are you going to call your parents and, show your disappointment to them?
No, I understand their concern. They couldn't travel for some reasons, but they're watching me live. Hopefully, you all are watching me. I told them to watch them, so it's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, we have a lot of cheers coming up from your second family. Congratulations, Harshita, and thank you. Contestant number 11, Rima Ravishankar, Kerala.
Dr. Kuriachan, sir.
Hi, Rima.
Hello, sir.
സുഖം തന്നെയല്ലേ?
ആണ് സർ,
വളരെ സന്തോഷമാണോ കോയമ്പത്തൂർ വന്നിട്ട്?
ഉണ്ട് സന്തോഷമാണ്.
കോയമ്പത്തൂരുള്ള ഇവിടുത്തെ പ്രകൃതി സൗന്ദര്യമൊക്കെ ഇനിയൊരു ദിവസം വന്ന് കാണണം.
Definitely, sir.
That I know, I'm a Malayali. എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും.
മനസ്സിലാവും അല്ലേ?
Of course.
So others don't worry. I just asked her or told her Coimbatore is a beautiful place. You will enjoy coming back to Coimbatore later also. Okay. So, Raish, now, who is your best friend and why do you like that particular person?
Thank you for the question. I would say my best friend is myself because I know that I can only be true to myself. Everyone out there live their own life, have their own journeys to speak, and live it in according to their terms. But who is not going to ever turn you down, it's always going to be there for you. Being that confident inner child that is with you is going to be yourself. So my best friend is going to be me.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Very good answer. Can you tell one other person, so somebody else in this world also will be happy hearing that name?
I would say my twin sister, Ria. She is like, we are twins. We've been together since birth. So my best friend would be my sister, Ria.
Please give a special love to Ria also.
Sure,
she
sir,
will feel
sure.
happy and lifelong she will never forget you. All the best to
Sure,
you.
sir. Thank you, sir.
She's here or what? She's here?
No, she's not here.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rima. Contestant number 12, Shanmuga Priya from Tamil Nadu.
Dr. Jayashree.
Hi Priya, I love your blouse.
Vanakkam, ma'am. Thank
Vanakkam.
you. I would give the designer number if you want.
I shall take it from you
Okay, ma'am.
later. All right. So you said you were 19?
Yeah, ma'am.
Right, okay. So my question to you would be, what is the most important thing you think we should be teaching the young girls today?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. The most important thing we should be teaching the young girls would be, please take up the space. Don't be the girl who's standing behind bars. There are so many talents that has kept behind bars. There are no support, but I'm here to support you. There are so many other beautiful women here to support you. Please take up the space, do the thing, and no matter what you face, there are so many people to support you, to raise you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. All the best.
Thank you.
Contestant number 13, Shweta Jairam from Kerala.
Reshma Nambiar. Yeah, sure.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very grateful that I'm here because with the pandemic, we were never sure whether this pageant would happen. So I'm very grateful.
Okay. So, what does it feel to represent? You're representing Kerala at Miss South India, right?
Yes.
So, how does it feel to represent Kerala at Miss South India? And tell me somebody from Kerala, apart from your family member, who has influenced you the most?
Thank you so much for the question. It feels great to be representing a state that has so much of diversity, so much of love. And as a Keralite, I've always been proud of the kind of values I hold. Someone who has influenced me from Kerala, there's so many influential people, but I think from the pageant world, I would have to say Lakshmi Menon, because I really connect to her as a person. She's very down to earth, and no matter how much she has succeeded in life, she's always been a supportive person. You know, whenever you reach out to her, she's always there to help you. So I think it has to be her. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That brings us to the last and final contestant, Sri Lakshmi, again from Kerala. And your judges?
It's Dr. Kuriachan, sir.
This is your day.
Hi, Sri Lakshmi.
Hi, sir.
You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you, sir. Even you are looking so handsome.
Thank you. My wife is sitting here. She might be staring at me from here. But don't worry. You are looking really stunning.
Thank you, sir.
Relax. Now, you have come to Coimbatore. I'm sure ningalum sukhamayirikkunnu.
Yes, Sugana, sir.
Tell us one lesson you learned as a child that still affects your life today, maybe positive or negative. But I would like to hear from you the positive side.
Thank you so much for this wonderful question, sir. First of all, good evening all. Since from the childhood, I was having so many inhibitions on myself, like I couldn't be a model, and I've faced so many humiliation due to my height because I was the only tallest girl among them. And the one thing that always keep close to my heart is to always there for myself, always be for myself, because in the end, there is no one who is going to be there for yourself. It's only you. Thank you.
Wonderful. You have kept up your beauty and talent shown clearly, as my wife also. I always tell my wife
Thank
she's
you,
the most
sir.
beautiful girl in the earth. So like that, when you are confident to present, winning or losing doesn't matter to you. The way you are presented, really on behalf of all the judges here, I can tell you, all of you were amazing. The confidence level were great. Please keep up the same spirit. Wherever you are, whichever part of the world is so small and very, very easy to reach. All the very best to you. Congratulations.
Thank you,
So
sir. Thank
that
you
was
so much.
from you. And how about you, Abhishekta? As you have been a contestant for many other pageants, could you wait for some more time as our judges finish their comments? How do you feel about the whole pageant, the girls, the way they talk, the way they took your questions?
I really love their confidence and the positivity here. I also love the way they walked. I got to know that, in a short period of time, they were groomed and they were told to take this all up. And they have done it really well. And I'm really happy to be a part of this event. And congratulations to all of you and all the best.
Thank you. A few words from you as well, Reshma. How do you feel about the whole thing?
It's so nice to see all these girls walking so confidently and being themselves, Like everybody here had some story to share about themselves. That was very inspiring to me. I'm so happy to be here. Like 4 years ago, I was a contestant in Miss South India and I was the first runner-up. So it feels so surreal to me to be on the other side and seeing that, that confidence and all of that hard work here. So yeah, it feels amazing, and all the best to all you girls.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
And how about you, Jayashree ma'am?
First, kudos to you. You got this going. I mean, I like the way you had the show going and keep up
That's
the
so
good work.
sweet of you. Thank you.
And everybody is stressed to kill, and I like confidence. Yes, you exuberate that. I can see from the age of 18, 19 to what was the maximum, but you girls have done a great job. Keep your dreams alive, keep the fire going on, and you girls have done a wonderful job.
Thank
Right?
you so
All the
much.
best.
And now all four of you may get back to your job. I know this is going to be a tough time for you. In the meanwhile, let's take a break. Let's refresh with some entertainment. You girls can exit. Fingers crossed. I'll be back with the results. Okay, let me go check it out, whether it is ready or not. So, entertain yourself with some optical illusion. This is an 8-ring act being performed by Srinish. As
I'm just
observe-
taking 1 minute of your time more.
Yeah, sure.
Contestants, I can only tell you, most of you, even when you go back, I've seen in many contests last, from 2014 or 15, I've been a judge in different events. After this event is over, many of you are sometimes let down. I can only tell you, most of you might be losing just by quarter mark or half a mark. So only request, all four of us here as judges, I can tell you, you all were stunning. You all had the confidence, as rightly said by Jaya. 19 to 26 was the age group, and the confidence level is excellent. So please do not get upset after the results are announced. Go with the same confidence as your MC is showing you, or the people who are organizing this, Mr. Ajit Pegasus or his wife Jepita. The way they're doing it for last 15-20 years, the confidence in them should be with you also. Next 15-20 years, the world is in your hands. All the best to you. Congratulations in advance to all of you. Thank you.
All right, girls, so you're all declared winners. Congratulations, and take a step and exit. Thank you. Okay. Looking ravishing in black and black. Black and red is always a good combination, but probably you wouldn't love me more once I announce the results. But you have to go through this, no? This is how it is. We just have got one crown, and hence I have the result with me. So we had, how many contestants? 14 contestants from across the South Indian states. And we have 7 finalists. There was a tie. Okay, so we have 7 finalists. And the first finalist is contestant number 1, Abhinaya Subramanian from Tamil Nadu. Contestant number 13 is actually a great number. Shweta Jairam from Kerala, contestant number 13. Contestant number 4, Ansi Kabir from Kerala. Contestant number 6. Who was it? Deepthi Srirangam from Telangana. Contestant number 5, Chandralekha Nath from Kerala. Contestant number 11, Rima Ravishankar from Kerala again. So that is 6, right? 6, na? We have one more. Contestant number 8, Dakshayani Santasuruban from Tamil Nadu. Let's bid adieu to the rest of the lovely girls. I'll see you in the next pageant, hopefully. Thank you. You may exit. So the first thing I would love to tell you is congratulations. You may get back to your position. You may arrange yourself in terms that you can take the podium. You're 7 in number. We have 6 podiums. This was unexpected from your side. You guys performed so well that we couldn't, the rest, you know how it is. You've been into different pageants, different times. You have won many titles as well. 1 minute, 60 seconds, nothing more. You should be writing after the 60 seconds. One common question. Give it your best shot, girls. That's all I have to say. So check your pen, whether it is properly writing or not. So I'm going to read out the question. It's always nice to be in a relationship. Do you think marriage is a must for an ultimate relationship, or do you think living together unconditionally is a better choice? I would say the second one is a better choice. I'm sorry, Nasir. It's always nice to be in a relationship. Do you think marriage is a must for an ultimate relationship, or do you think living together unconditionally is a better choice? Okay. Can I start off with the timing? 3, 2, 1, and go. You have exactly 30 seconds left. And your countdown starts now. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. How was the question? Was it easy, tempting, or difficult? You had to think twice. Beautiful question, right? Right. So I'll start off from you, lovely lady. Deepthi, contestant number 6, has written.
Thank you. I would like to say, parents are always think about children's happiness, and also children know where they're happy. Never leave at any situation is important.
Okay. Thank you. Contestant number 5, Chandralekha, has written.
I believe marriage is not necessary to validate one's relationship. Living together is as valid as marriage is. Being with the person you love matters the most, with or without society's approval. Thank you.
Yes.
Marriage is a very personal choice. However, I believe that when you truly love someone and would want to spend your life with them, all that matters is your compatibility. Hence, I believe you can live together. Thank you.
Okay. And Abhinaya has written,
Every relationship needs love, compassion, and understanding to sustain. Marriage is the tie to keep the couple together in this world. Their love matters the most, even in live-in. Therefore, it is their personal choice. Thank you.
You leave it to every person, right? So, can I ask you, what is your choice? Just out of curiosity. Would you prefer marriage or not? No. That is your personal choice. Well, and see, contestant number 4.
Whatever relation, the key point is to have love, bond, and compassion between each other. It should not be measured by some agreement. So I would definitely go for unconditional love that stays forever. Thank you.
Unconditional love that stays forever. Rima.
I believe that there is always a choice that lies in us. But what is beautiful is that relationship is magical. Whatever the decision, what matters is love, trust, purity, and beauty. Thank you.
Thank you. Contestant number 8, Dakshayani.
Love is love. It's all about understanding each other, and it's all about the true commitment that we give to each other, and that comes from the heart. Thank you.
Yeah, that was a very interesting question, and the girls have attempted it very well. So this was a beautiful day, perhaps a long journey for all of you. Now what awaits you is one crown. Let's see who takes it. And as everybody keeps on saying, this is just a beginning. Picture abhi bhi baki hai. Right? Thank you so much, girls. You may exit now. It's not an easy job, you know, going backstage every time, fetching the results and seeing everything is okay. Coming here, I'll have to announce it right as well. Your girl's job is easy. Fine. Now, so you know how it is? We have subtitles. Shouldn't I be repeating it, no? I shouldn't be repeating it. But just for the sake, I shall do it. Miss Congeniality, Miss Ramp Walk, Miss Viewer's Choice, Miss Perfect 10, Miss Social Media, Miss Humaneness. To give away the first subtitle, I would love to invite Mr. Gio Michael, the CEO of Razzmatazz Group, and Mr. Rajesh, the Vice President, Citibank. Both of them are here. So the 19th edition of Manappuram TQ Miss South India, Miss Congeniality is contestant number 1, Abhinaya Subramanian from Tamil Nadu. Inviting Mr. Pramod Pia, the managing partner of Top Ads, to give away the, you can come up, to give away the prize for Miss Rampwalk. And Miss Rampwalk is contestant number 8, Dakshayani Santa Suruban from Tamil Nadu. Inviting Miss Conchita John, our groomer, and Mr. Samir Khan, our choreographer, once again back on stage. Miss View's Choice. Miss View's Choice is contestant number 14, Sri Lakshmi from Kerala. Mr. Shahid, the hotel manager, Le Méridien Coimbatore, can you please be on stage? The next subtitle is Miss Perfect 10. Miss Perfect 10 is contestant number 11, Rima Ravishankar from Kerala. Inviting Mrs. Jabita Ajay, the Managing Director of Pegasus Global Private Limited, for the next award. The next one is Miss Social Media, contestant number 14, contestant number 14, Sri Lakshmi. Finally, we have one more subtitle, Miss Humaneness. And to give away, I would love to invite Dr. Elizabeth Chako, the CEO of Kalpana International. And Miss Humaneness is contestant number 2, Aditi K. Shetty from Karnataka. Moving on, we will have 4 subtitles, regional title winners here as well. So Miss Queen Karnataka, Miss Queen Kerala, Miss Queen Telangana, and Miss Tamil Nadu. I would love to invite Ms. Abhishekta Shetty to come forward to crown Miss Queen Karnataka. Miss Queen Karnataka is contestant number 3. Miss Queen Karnataka. Afreen. Miss Reshma Nambiar, please be on stage. She'll be crowning Miss Queen Kerala. Miss Queen Kerala is contestant number 5, Chandralekha Nath. Inviting on stage Dr. Jayashree. Welcome, Doctor. She'll be crowning Miss Queen Telangana. And Miss Queen Telangana is contestant number 6, Deepthi Sriranga from Telangana, of course. Dr. Kuriachan. Dr. Kuriachan will be crowning Miss Tamil Nadu. And Miss Tamil Nadu is contestant number 8, Dakshayani Santasarupan. So we are done with the subtitles, we are done with the regional titles as well. Now what is ahead of us is the title winners. Mrs. Japita Ajit, the Managing Director of Pegasus Global, will be coming on the stage to crown all the 3 title winners of the 19th edition of Manappuram DQ Miss South India. And right now, I would love to start off by announcing the second runner-up. She is getting a ribbon, memento, certificate, crown, bouquet, and gifts worth 40,000 gold stuffed crown from Parker Jewels. Miss South India 2021. Second runner-up is contestant number 13, Shweta Jairam. She is the second runner-up. Manappuram DQ Miss South India 2021. First runner-up gets gifts worth 60,000 and gold stuffed crown from Parker, ribbon, memento, certificate, everything comes with it. And the first runner is contestant number 5. Contestant number 5, Chandralekha Nath. And now, time for some more drama, girls. All the finalists can now maybe come forward. Hold your hands. Ha. So, Miss South India 2021 gets gifts worth 1 lakh rupees. Again, gold stuffed crown from Parakar Jewels and bouquet, ribbon, memento, certificate. Lots of love, opportunities, limelight, whatnot. The 19th edition of Manappuram DQ, Miss South India 2021 is contestant number. Huh? Say it aloud, everyone. Contestant number 4, Ansi Kabir. Congratulations, Ansi. Everybody here unanimously announced your name. Not just the judges or the contestants or myself. Everybody agrees to your victory, and that is great, unusual. Congratulations to all the girls, to all the winners, to everybody present out here. My heartfelt gratitude goes to the sponsors as well. Our main titled partner being Manappuram Finance Limited and DQ, powered by Naturals, DQ Face and Body, Skin Friendly Soap, Medimix, co-partners Sargers, Resorts, VKB Caterers, Absolute IAS Academy, Sunny Paints, Green Media, UT World, Fashion Connect, our crown partner Parakar Jewels, outdoor media partner Aishwarya Outdoor Media, online media partner UTTV, Unique Times, Europe Times, Times New, hair and makeup partner Natural School of Makeup, event by Pegasus Global Private Limited. Lots of love goes to all the media who cooperated and supported us throughout. The staff and crew of Lee Meridian, our makeup crew Natural School of Makeup, production crew, light and sound crew, our camera, technical crew, Green Media, and last but not least, Pegasus family, and each and every one of you for making it out this evening. It was a glad spending some time with all of you. Here I go with a stack of my paper. Wishing you all a very happy journey back home. Wishing you lots of health and happiness. Hope to see you soon. Good night, everyone. Thank you so much from all of us here.
Feel the freshness. Feel the softness. DQ Face and Body Skin Friendly Soap.